Hello guys, this is Niranjan and welcome to Spartech. Guys, today I am here with the most exciting news about Sony WF1000XM4. Yes guys, Sony has released the multi-point connectivity firmware update for WF1000XM4 and now it is available in India. For guys who are unaware about the multi-point connectivity, it is a feature available for TWS earbuds that enables the earbud to remain connected with two devices simultaneously so that you can play media either any of the devices and it will play in the earbud. It means if you have two mobile phones, then you can connect WF1000XM4 now to both the mobile phones at the same time and play media from both the mobile phones without disconnecting and connecting to again with other devices. So I have my mobile phone and laptop. Now I will show you how to download the update the firmware to the earbuds, then connect two devices with the earbud and show the demo through the mobile phone and laptop so that you can see how you can play media from both the devices. And the option is great addition to WF1000XM4 because even the cheapest earbuds now being released in India are coming with multi-point connectivity, and this is the flagship device from Sony and it was the most awaited update expected from Sony and now it has been released. So we are happy and let's get started and see the demo without wasting any time. On opening the Sony Headphone Connect app, you will get the latest software available for download. On clicking the more info button, it will guide you to the page containing all the info regarding the latest update. You can read them or skip them all and hit the start button to download the update. On hitting the start button, a display bar showing the percentage of data being downloaded comes at the bottom. It goes up to 100%. As you can see, the software version is 2.0.0 and the main points of this software update is you can now connect simultaneously two devices to the headphones. The software update is going to take about 60 minutes because the firmware is going to be transferred from your phone to the TWS earbuds. It says to keep your earbuds near to the device so that there won't be any interruption during transmission of data. Let's wait and check out for the complete installation of the software. Firmware update 98%, firmware update 99%. It's just about few seconds. The firmware update data transfer has been completed. Now it says to update the headphone software. Let's start updating the headphone software. As you can see, it says please wait while updating the latest firmware for the headsets. As you can see, it says warning that do not always far away from each other because it will interrupt the data transmission and updation of the software. Make sure the earbuds are out of the case and its position nearer to the phone. Software update complete. Okay, let's check what are the changes has been made to the Headphone Connect app. In the system tab, you can see there is one more option has been added: connect to two devices simultaneously. This is the main toggle, you have to turn it on. Device currently being connected, Niranjan's iPhone. Number two device is not connected. Now I will connect with my laptop and let's see how the interface gets changed and how we can play media from two devices one by one. You can see my laptop and iPhone both are there, and it's connected to the Sony headphone connect app. Let me show you the interface. Yes, number 1 is iPhone, number 2 is laptop. The same can be confirmed from the laptop tray. You can see Sony WF1000XM4 is connected to my laptop. Now let's play media on both of these devices and see the media transfer from one device to another device. Laptop playing music. Let's pause the laptop and turn on iPhone. Playing from iPhone. Now I'm increasing the volume on my iPhone, and you can see the same volume has been increased on my laptop too, because the volume is centrally controlled for this device. Let's watch the music on iPhone. Now music playing on laptop. You can see the laptop volume has been increased. Let's pause the music on laptop, play it on iPhone. Okay guys, as per the video demo I have provided here, you can see the multi-point connectivity software update from Sony for WF1000XM4 works flawlessly. And as far as from my point of view, it's unworthy update by Sony, and it works great. If there is any problem with the firmware update, then I will be with another video after some days. Now, if this video was helpful for you, then give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye and take care.